Hello class, in this video I'll explain the Hourglass project. The components I used for this build were 6 LED lights, 7 resistors, a 4-pin tilt sensor, and some wires. Putting everything together, I connected the lights and the sensor to the breadboard and also attached a resistor to each one. The tilt sensor had a resistance of 10 kiloohms, while the lights were set to 220 ohms. Onto the code. First I had to make a couple of variables. On the recording, I have the variables previous time, which just saves the last time an LED was updated, the variable switch state, which represents the current state of the switch, as well as the variable previous switch state, which just represents the previous switch state. Finally, there is an LED variable responsible for the LED's on and off states, and the variable interval that dictates the time interval between each light illuminating. To get the circuit to mimicking Hourglass, I had to set up a function that resets the LEDs and timer in conjunction to the tilt sensor being flipped. This is called the setup function. In addition to that, I had to make a loop that counts the time intervals and sets off the LEDs at every loop repeat until all 6 LEDs have been lit up. Once all the LEDs are lit, the code will stop the loop and wait for the user to hit flip the tilt sensor to start again. As you can see in the video, it works and it is a very useful project.